Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another LV Poshmark unboxing. This is my new bag I just purchased this year, and I wanted to show you guys. So I just took off the tape from the box and let's take a look. Okay, so this bag, of course, is authenticated by Poshmark because it's more than $500. So they authenticate it, they put a little card, and they wrap it up for you. So let me just take it out of the box to show you guys. Okay, so it came taped. I hope you guys are able to see, the lighting is kind of bad. Okay. So let's see how it looks. So it looked beautiful in the pictures, and I honestly thought it was going to be smaller, but looking at it, looks pretty big. Okay, so it does come in the dust bag, and as you can tell, I was told, oh, there it's focusing. As you can tell, I was told it was brand new. So let's inspect it together. So it does come with a wrap. It's so cute. Look. Okay. So that's a peek. What can you guys guess what it is with the size? Okay, so look. Oh my gosh. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh wow, it's big. I thought it was smaller. I've actually never seen this bag in person. Oh look. Brand new. Super shiny. So I've never seen this bag in person, but I have seen reviews of people saying that the bag, sometimes it's not centered, or the lock doesn't work, or they struggle closing it. So this one comes with a wrap, which is really cute. And as you can see, and let's see the back pocket. So let me know if you guys have one of these and what do you guys think. I have heard people say they don't like the back pocket as much. Yeah, I don't know. I've never had one of these. I was obsessed originally. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I turn the flash better. Okay, so I've been obsessed with the reverse version. I've been seeing it and I've been wanting to buy it, but I haven't. But I have also heard that these bags crack, that the glazing is off and they crack right here. So I just want to make sure there's no cracks. And the glazing looks good to me. I don't know if you guys see anything. And I also have seen people say the corners start to peel. But we'll see. I mean, if I take good care of it, it shouldn't. Okay, let's see how you open this bag. Honestly, like I said, I don't own one of these. I've been wanting these. I think it's called a Pouchette Metis. Okay, so easy open. And it does come with the straps. Perfect. Okay, so there's the lock, as you guys can see. Let me open it up for you guys so you guys can see the inside. So I already ordered an insert. Okay. So when I do place the insert, I might make you guys a video so you guys can see it. But this is, so it has 1, 2, 3 compartments. As you can see. I like that this compartment is very large, and then it has like another one. So I bought an insert and I saw it had the two pockets. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see. For the 2 pockets, which I am in love. This is such a good size. I thought it was smaller, and then I really love this pink monogram. I'm not sure if it'll get dirty fast. I have also heard, this is nice that the person put this on it. I have heard people say that you can't really put your hand under here to carry it like this. I don't know, tell me guys what you think. So it did come with a strap as well. I don't know if the person used it or not, but to me it looks brand new, and they did say it was brand new. So It comes with a strap. You can strap it on the side like that. Can't really. Okay, so yeah. So tell me, guys, what your thoughts are on these, and if you guys have one, if you love it. I just wanted to share with you guys, and it might help one of you guys if you guys are interested. I will do a comparison video on sizing with something maybe, so you guys can kind of have an idea of the sizing. But honestly, for crossbody, I thought it was smaller. But I'm kind of excited. I mean, it's better that it's bigger than smaller, but I did think it was going to be a tiny bit smaller. I thought maybe like about that size. I haven't really I've seen them on people, but I still thought it was smaller. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyways, yeah, just wanted to show you guys this new Poshmark unboxing, which thumbs up. I love it. And yeah. Till next time, guys. Bye.